Ever stumbled across the words Caprylic, Capric Triglyceride on a label and thought, is that a skincare ingredient? Let me break it down. It's actually one of the most silky, smooth, skin loving ingredients in our toolbox. Let's talk about it. Caprylic Capric Triglyceride. It's a mouthful. It's a lightweight emollient derived from coconut oil or palm oil. It's a combo of caprylic acid and capric acid, two medium chain fatty acids, blended with glycerin to form a stable, non greasy oil. Translation: well, it moisturizes, it softens, and it gives your product luxurious, velvety glide we all love. Here's why. Caprylic Capric Triglyceride is a go to for Shufetti suds. It feels like a dry oil, sinks in fast with no residue. It's highly stable, long lasting shelf life, and it helps dissolve oils. It's great for cleansing balms and oil cleansers. It's non comedogenic, meaning it doesn't clog your pores, and it works for all skin types. It's gentle, it's even suitable for baby products and sensitive skin. You'll find this ingredient in face oils, creams, lotion bars, body butters, lip balms, makeup removers. It acts like a carrier, helping to deliver other ingredients while improving slip and feel. It's the secret sauce that turns a basic formula into a buttery dream. So next time you see Caprylic, Capric, Triglyceride, don't skip past it. Celebrate it. It's lightweight, nourishing, non greasy, and gives your skincare that Luxe Pro Grade feel. Drop a comment if you've used it in a formula before or if you're adding it to your cart right now. Shufetti suds, making skincare smart, silky, and oh so satisfying. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Shufetti suds, where your skincare is made with intention, education, and a little. Don't forget to go to our website and pick up our digital download that has a list of 11 ingredient suppliers, 19 fragrance suppliers, and 14 packaging suppliers. We've done all the work so you don't have to. Grab your copy now and take the first steps towards becoming a skincare formulation expert.